So we will discuss the sign of trigonometric ratios in different quadrant. Now you all know that if ABC is a right angle triangle with a right angle at B, AB is the height, BC is the base, AC is the hypotenuse, and angle ACB is equal to theta. Then sin theta is equal to AB by AC, that is height by the hypotenuse, and cos theta is equal to BC by AC, that is base by hypotenuse. Now we will discuss about the sign in different quadrant. So let us start. So let take one unit circle. Now unit circle means a circle with radius 1 unit, that is OB is equal to 1. So we know that any point on in first quadrant is of the form x and y, that means both x and y are positive. In second quadrant x negative, y positive. In third quadrant both negative. In fourth quadrant x positive, y negative. Now let us draw a right angle triangle. Check this, OAB is a right angle triangle. Now if we take any point on the circumference of the circle, suppose B is the point xy, then OA is equal to x and AB equal to y. OA is equal to x and AB equal to y. Now if this angle is theta, then what will be the sin theta? Sin theta will be this AB by OB, AB by OB. Now AB is equal to y and OB is equal to 1. So sin theta is actually the y coordinate. Similarly, cos theta, this is equal to OA by OB. OA by OB, that is actually x by 1, that is x. So cos theta is equal to x. So if we take a unit circle and this theta angle, so for this theta angle, cos theta actually the x coordinate and sin theta actually the y coordinate. So the value sign of cos theta will be positive, sin theta will also positive in first quadrant. Now in second quadrant, so what we are getting that cos theta actually the value of the x coordinate and sin theta is y coordinate. Now in second quadrant x is negative, that implies here cos theta will be, this will be negative, and y positive, that is sin theta, that is equal to sin theta. So sin theta will be positive. Similarly, in fourth quadrant both negative, both cos theta also negative and sin theta also negative, both negative. In fourth quadrant, see that cos theta positive, cos theta is positive, and sin theta, this is minus y, is negative. So initially you are getting that sin theta is the x coordinate, sin theta is the y coordinate, cos theta is the x coordinate. So we all know that the sign of the point, the x coordinate, y coordinate in all four quadrant. So in first quadrant both sin cos positive, second quadrant cos negative sin positive, third quadrant both negative, fourth quadrant cos positive sin negative. Now from this sign we can easily check the sign of the remaining trigonometric ratio. As for example, tan theta will be positive by positive, this will be positive. Here tan theta positive by negative, So here tan theta will be negative. Here sin by cos is tan, so minus by minus, negative by negative. So this is also positive. In third quadrant, tan theta positive, and in fourth quadrant, here tan theta, it will be minus by plus, so negative. Now if we take the reciprocal of these three trigonometric ratio, we will get sec theta, cot theta and cosec theta. So this is how we determine the sign of the trigonometric ratio when the angle lies in different quadrant. Thank you.